last week, when we locked down for ECQ and NCR, we had released almost 15 to 20 billion pesos worth of ayuda.
How are you doing? Okay.
There is no more Bayanihan 2 in effect. So may I ask the DBM Acting Secretary, Secretary Kanda, Ma'am, paano nila na-release yung ayuda na bilyon-bilyon sa taong bayan? Bakit hindi natin ma-release yung mga nurses na pinangako na natin yan sa Bayanihan 1 and 2? Secretary, how could we have released that fund to the IU to give to our people, which I'm happy they received it, I'm happy we released it. And these are not obligated. There was no law to obligate this fund. So why can't we do the same for the nurses, Secretary?
Sir, yung sa mga yung may funding source po kasi yung sa ayuda. There are two specific sources which we use to fund the ayuda for Metro Manila, NCR, and then for Laguna and Bataan. We use specifically the savings coming from 2020 appropriations from agencies.
Correct, Secretary. So what you're saying is you were able to identify funds, utilize that funds for an item which is not in any law at the moment. Kasi ginawa lang, tapos na yung Bayanihan 2. So pwedeng gawin, ma'am. Pwedeng hanapan ng fund source yan. At pwede pong ibigayan, Secretary. Just like what you did last week.
Yun hong sa, yung ginamit po dyan is covered by Administrative Order 41, 12.1 billion ho yun, naubos na ho yun dahil nga pinamigay para sa ayuda. Yung sa SRA naman po na yan, pwede pong ang gamitin dyan is yung savings na identified under DOH specifically. Kasi meron pa naman po sila sa 2020, kung yun po available pa at walang paggagamitan, pwede rin ho yun for the SRA just in case.
O pwede pala, Secretary. What you're saying is, we don't need to pass a law because if we pass a law, it will take at least a couple of weeks before signing of the President. Baka abutin ng October yan. We don't need to wait for the 2022 budget. Pwede nyo pong gawin, Secretary.
No, sir. Ang gagawa po niyaan at mag-identify ng funding source specifically will be DOH. Meron kami record ng kanilang appropriation, tsaka yung mga balances. But then again, we are not sure whether this has been earmarked already by DOH for its priority projects and programs.
But at least we'd like to put that on record, Chairman. Meron pong paraan. Kung gusto mo talaga ng paraan, may paraan. Mr. Chairman, because they gave ayuda last week with the Bayanihan 2 already expired. So, yun po, Mr. Chair, for the record, hanapan natin ng paraan dito sa savings ng DOH.
Kaya, kung may savings ng DOH.